Good morning, dear friend. Today we are going with a new topic. It is basically we studied in 9th and 10th. Okay, conversation system. We have to convert CGS into MKS and MKS into CGS. Generally, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That is very simple. We already know. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And 1 hour is equal to 3600 सेकंड. ओके, तो हमें यहाँ पे अगर कोई यूनिट ऐसे सिस्टम में हो जैसे कि CGS में हो तो उसको हमें MKS में कन्वर्ट करना हो, और MKS हो तो CGS में कन्वर्ट करना हो, तो इसके लिए हमें एक टेबल चाहिए. यहाँ पे मैं टेबल लिख रहा हूँ, तो टेबल में थोड़ा ध्यान रखिएगा. टेबल जो है उसमें ये यहाँ से शुरुआत होगी. एक्सा, पेटा, टेरा, गीगा, मेगा, हेक्टो, डेका. Okay, and 1 hexa, it means it is 10 raised to 18. Okay, 10 raised to powers 18. Peta. Okay, peta 10 raised to 15. Tera 10 raised to 13. Giga 10 raised to 12. Here the 10 raised to 9. Here mega 10 raised to 6. Here we forgot kilo, hecto, hecta on deca. Okay, that is 10 raised to 3. Here hecta is equal to 10 raised to 2 and deca is equal to 10 raised to 1. Okay, now in minus system, that is deci, centi, milli, micro, pico, femto, femto means Fermi, and etto. Deci, centi, milli, micro, pico, femto and etto. Okay, so this is in minus conversion. Deci, it means 10 raised to minus 1. Centi 10 raised to minus 2. Milli 10 raised to minus 3. Micro 10 raised to minus 6. Pico 10 raised to minus 12. Fermi 10 raised to minus 15. Etto, it is 10 raised to minus 18. Okay, that is a conversion method. How we convert CGS into the MKS and MKS into the CGS? It is very simple. If one hectometer, it is how much meter? Hectometer and meter both are MKS unit. Okay, here we first understand from the table how we convert this type of unit into this simple unit. Okay, there is the HM. HM means hectometer. Okay, so here just only a meter is same, so hecta is equal to 10 raised to 2. The answer is 10 raised to 2. Okay, here 1 nanometer, it is how much meter? It is very simple, nano. Okay, અહીંયા આપણે રહી ગયું છે બરાબર ને, અહીંયા નેનો એડ કરી નાખીએ. આમ તો અહીંયા 10⁻⁹ આવશે, એટલે અહીંયા આવશે 10⁻⁹ બરાબર ને. डेसी सेंटी मिली माइक्रो नैनो पाइको फेम्टो एटो बराबर. Okay, so here the 1 nanometer is equal to how much meter? It is very simple, 10 raised to minus 9. Okay, तो यहाँ पे टेबल का यूज़ इसी तरह हमें करना है. ओके, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि what is the nano, what is the micro, what is the femto, what is the fermi, what is the pico. Okay, that is remember in your mind. Okay, yes. Now we will convert CGS into the MKS and MKS into the CGS. I just take one example. 1 kilogram into meter per second square is equal to how much gram into centimeter per second square. Okay, this is a system, MK system. And this is CGS system. MK is always greater than CGS, so here the answer is 10 raised to plus power. Okay. So how we do calculate this sum? We have to first of all assume the space it is x. Okay, we assume the space it is x. Now substitute अच्छा ओके આપણે x ने સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવવો છે બરાબર ને, તો x is equal to સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવો, આને હું અહીંયા આપવામાં મૂકી દઉં, દેટ ઇઝ 1 કિલોગ્રામ ઇન્ટુ મીટર પર સેકન્ડ સ્ક્વેર, દેટ ઇઝ અપોન ઇટ ઇઝ 1 ગ્રામ ઇન્ટુ સેન્ટીમીટર પર સેકન્ડ સ્ક્વેર. It is very easy. If you want to relation between the MKS and CGS, you can do this type of assumptions. We have to assume here x. Okay, after that second step is what? Keep the subject x. Okay, તો અહીંયા શું થશે? ડિનોમિનેટરમાં આવી જશે. ઓકે, now convert into the same unit. It means કે હવે હું શું કરીશ કે બંને ડિનોમિનેટરમાં છે એને હું કન્વર્ટ કરીશ. સપોઝ કે ગ્રામને કિલોગ્રામમાં કન્વર્ટ કરું, સેન્ટીમીટરને મીટરમાં કન્વર્ટ કરું, સેકન્ડ તો સેકન્ડ જ છે. Okay, otherwise I convert kilogram into the gram, meter into centimeter, second square. Okay, એને આપણે કન્વર્ટ કરવાની જરૂર નથી. તો here easy method is that I convert kilogram into the gram and meter into centimeter. Okay, because we know that easy gram to kilogram, we know that it is 10 raised to minus 3, but minus power it is sometimes hard and it will be some error to calculate. Okay, so we have to assumption x is equal to 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 10 raised to 3 gram. So here I put 10 raised to 3 gram. Meter into the centimeter, second square it is cancel. Meter into the centimeter, that is 10 raised to 2. Centimeter upon 1 gram into centimeter. Gram cancel, centimeter cancel. Okay, so it is x is equal to 10 raised to 5. Yes, so our answer is that 1 kilogram into meter per second square is equal to 10 raised to 5 gram into centimeter square. Okay, it is very easy. If you know some value, some relation from this table and substitute in this equation, તમે सीधું પણ કરી શકો છો, એવું જરૂરી નથી બરાબર ને કે તમારે x assumption કરવું. પણ જે લોકોને તકલીફ પડે છે બરાબર એ લોકો x અઝ્યુમ કરીને આ કામ કરી શકે છે. ઓકે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, નાઉ આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ ટેલ યુ દેટ ધીસ ઇઝ અચ્છા ધીસ યુનિટ ઇઝ ઇન ઇઝ આ યુનિટ કોનો છે કહેશો મને? કિલોગ્રામ. It is unit of mass, meter per second square. It is unit of acceleration. So mass into acceleration, it is force. Okay, this unit is force. So we also know that the unit of force, it is 1 Newton. Okay, that is gram into centimeter per second square, it is called dyne. It is called dyne. So you have to remember that the unit of force, it is Newton, and in CGS it is called dyne. And 1 Newton is equal to how much dyne? Here we proved that is it is 10 raised to 5. Okay dear friends, so you have to remember for that 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. Please note down this table, and it is very most important. I will prove 1 joule is equal to how much erg. Okay, please note down. 2 minutes for that. Okay, please. ઓકે, તો આ કન્વર્ઝન આપણે જોયું છે બરાબર ને. હવે આપણે જોઈએ 1 જૂલ ઇઝ હાઉ મચ અર્ગ. Okay, now we calculate 1 joule is equal to how much erg. First of all, I want to say joule is equal to mks unit of energy. Erg is CGS, unit of energy. Okay, so we have to find out 1 joule is equal to how much erg. Okay, first of all, energy, it is force into displacement. Okay, I convert into the kilogram, meter and second. Okay, અહીંયા આપણે પ્રૂવ કરવું હોય તો પહેલાં આપણે એને કિલોગ્રામ, મીટર અને સેકન્ડના ફોર્મમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવી પડે. અને એ કન્વર્ટ કરવા માટે આપણે કિલોગ્રામ, વી નો ધેટ ઇટ ઇઝ કિલોગ્રામ, force is kilogram into meter per second square, and here displacement it is m for meter. So here kilogram into meter square per second square. Okay, પહેલાં આપણે શું કર્યું એને કન્વર્ટ કરી નાખ્યું કિલોગ્રામ ઇન્ટુ મીટર સ્ક્વેર પર સેકન્ડ સ્ક્વેર, એન્ડ ધીસ ઇઝ ધ conversion method. It is energy is equal to work and work is equal to force into displacement. Okay, now we have to convert kilogram into meter square per second square. So this relation, it is just like that, kilogram into meter square per second square is equal to erg, it means it is gram into centimeter square per second square. Okay, so here we convert kilogram into gram, meter into centimeter, second, both are equal. So here first of all assume x. Okay, now keep the subject x is equal to 1 kilogram into meter square per second square. It is divided 1 gram into centimeter square per second square. Okay, we have to convert kilogram into gram. Meter 10 raised to 2 and whole square, so 10 raised to 2 of whole square into centimeter square. Okay, we have to convert meter into the centimeter. Here the power of meter is 2, here the 10 raised to 2 of power 2, and second to cancel, that is 1 gram into centimeter square, centimeter, gram cancel. Here the 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to power 4, so that answer is 10 raised to 7. Okay, so here we have to decide, we have to calculate 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 erg. Okay, this relation please remember, because it is very most important and comes into 12th science. Okay, 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 erg, 1 newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. Okay, yes, so this is very most important, and after we some calculate a normal sum that is comes from the table. Okay, કેટલાક હું તમને હોમવર્કમાં આપીશ. સપોઝ 1 nanometer upon 1 femtometer. What is the ratio of that? It is very simple. Nanometer, so 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Femtometer 10 raised to minus 50 meter. Meter cancel, and after that is a simple calculation. 10 raised to 15 numerator માં જાય, plus 15 minus 9, it is 10 raised to 6. Okay, this is very simple. આ તો બધું તમને આવડે. તો આવા પ્રકારના હું તમને અત્યારે હોમવર્કમાં એક્ઝામ્પલ દઉં છું, બરાબર ને? બધા નોટ ડાઉન કરી લેશે. ઓકે, એવું જરૂરી નથી કોઈનો યુનિટ હોય. હું તમને કન્વર્ઝન કરવા માટે ગમે તે આપીશ. આને માઇક્રો કહેવાય. ઓકે, this is pico. This is mega. This is mega. Okay, yes, so you have to calculate this sum, and after in next lecture I will calculate this sum, and we have to prove this answer. Okay, thank you very much. Be safe and like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you very much. તમારા ફ્રેન્ડને પણ આ વિડીયો દેખાડો, કોઈ રિલેટિવમાં પણ તમે આ વિડીયો અપલોડ કરી શકો છો. અને બીજી વસ્તુ કે આપણે યુટ્યુબ જે ચેનલ છે એમાં પ્રાઇવસી કે એવું કોઈ રાખેલું નથી મિત્રો, એટલે તમે લોકો આ વિડીયોને સ્પ્રેડ કરી શકો છો. સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરવાનું ખાસ ભૂલતા નહીં. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.